Today, I've got a crazy opportunity for you to make some serious cash just by doing something you probably already love watching YouTube videos. Step 1. Head on over to youtube.com. You know the drill, right? That magical place where dreams come true. And today, your dream is to earn over $1,800 in cold, hard PayPal money. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, once you're on YouTube, it's time to make that money. Click on any video that catches your eye, and here's the key: watch at least 60 seconds of it. That's it. By doing this, you could be raking in up to $22 for every single video you watch. I'm not kidding, guys. This is legit. And the best part? This method works in almost every country. Global money making right from your device. Now, what do you need to get started? Just a mobile phone, a tablet, or a laptop? Seriously, that's it. Now, click on Sign In and create your YouTube account if you haven't already. Once you're in, it's time to pick the videos you want to watch and make money from. Choose videos that you think will grab the attention of a massive audience. You can even watch Mr. Beast videos. They always pull in a huge crowd. Or go for those make money online videos if that's your jam. Challenge videos, compilations, whatever floats your boat. The key is to pick videos that provide value to a large audience. So, if you're scratching your head wondering which videos to feast your eyes on, fear not. Head over to YouTube's Explore section. It's a treasure trove of hot and trending topics. We're talking music, movies, gaming, news, the whole shebang. And if you want to be extra savvy, hit up Google Trends. It's like the crystal ball of the internet, showing you what's trending worldwide. Take a look. Folks, ChatGPT is still riding high on the trend wave. That's right, you can dive into videos about it and ride that trending train. iPhone 15 is also blowing up, so why not binge watch some iPhone 15 content and cash in on the craze? Now, here's your first bonus tip. Google Trends spills the tea that weight loss is a hot topic year-round. It's like a perpetual money machine. What's cool is that the folks searching for weight loss tips are from top-tier countries. Think United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. So not only are you stacking those dollars, but you're also helping out people on their fitness journey. Win-win! Jump on YouTube, search for weight loss, and you'll see millions of views on those videos. It's a sign. My friends, this topic appeals to a massive audience. But hey, that's just one example. If weight loss isn't your jam, no worries. Hit up the Explore section, pick a trending topic you love, and start watching those videos. So, let's say you're a gaming fanatic. Head straight to the trending gaming page on YouTube. There, you'll find the hottest games of 2023 just waiting for you to dive in, watch, and earn that sweet PayPal money. Millions upon millions of people are glued to these gaming videos, and guess what? They're clueless about the fact that they could be making serious PayPal bucks. But fear not, because today, I'm spilling the beans on a secret strategy that's making these guys $22 over and over for every video they watch. This is a legit, 100% free way to make money online, and it works worldwide as long as you've got access to YouTube. Alright, let's dive into step number 2. I want you to focus on the top live games on YouTube. Pick a game you love. I'm talking GTA 5, one of the hottest games trending right now. Open it up, and boom! You're in a world of live gameplay videos. Now, here's the golden nugget. Click on any of those live videos. It'll take you to a page where you see the live stream in action, with tons of people tuning in. There's a massive demand for these live gameplay videos, and that, my friends, is your ticket to making money online. But hold on, because I've got a secret sauce to share at the end of this video that'll help you make 10 times more money than the average viewer. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, you've picked out those epic videos, right? Maybe some gaming masterpieces, or whatever tickles your fancy. Now, it's time to unleash the second part of this money-making equation, a website that's about to turn those views into dollars. And people are raking in $22, $51, heck, even over $100 by just watching videos on this site. Sounds crazy, right? But I promise, it's simpler than you think, and not many people are talking about this goldmine. Introducing the game changer, Shrink Me. Yeah, It's not just a cool name, it's the key to unlocking that sweet PayPal cash. Here's the scoop. Sign up for a free account on ShrinkMe. Easy peasy. Now, once you're in, you're on your way to turning those YouTube video links into a cash machine. Let me break it down for you. Say you're watching an awesome YouTube video. Underneath, hit that share button. Boom! You'll see the YouTube URL link. Copy that bad boy. Now, head back to ShrinkMe, paste that link into the box, and with a click of a button, watch the magic happen. ShrinkMe will work its wizardry and turn that long YouTube link into a short, unique URL. Now, here's the magic. Every click on that short link is money in your pocket. That's the secret sauce behind these guys making big bucks on this website. And the best part? You can cash out in Bitcoin, PayPal, Payer, and a bunch of other payment methods. You only need $5 measly to withdraw your PayPal earnings or just $20 for a bank transfer. It's crazy easy, and you can hit that threshold with just one YouTube video if you stick around and watch this till the end. For the third step, head back to the ShrinkMe homepage and hit that register button. Boom! You're in, and you even score a sweet $1 sign-up bonus just for signing up. Nice, right? Now, on this page, click where it says New Shorten Link. This is where the magic happens. Copy and paste your YouTube video URL, and let's turn that link into a money-making machine. Back to your YouTube video, hit the share button, grab that URL and back to ShrinkMe. Paste it into the box, click that magic shorten button, and voila! In seconds, ShrinkMe does its thing and turns that YouTube link into a short URL. Now, here's the deal. Every click on that link means someone's watching an ad, skipping it, and landing on the page to watch the YouTube video. And that's where you get paid. Up to $22 for every 1,000 people watching that video. I'm about to show you how to get hundreds of thousands of people watching these videos, turning your YouTube time into over $1,800. It's like turning clicks into a cash explosion. Now, I want you to rinse and repeat, folks. Do the same process for as many videos as your eyeballs can handle. The more YouTube videos you watch and shorten, the more moolah you'll be stacking up. But here's the deal. Make sure the videos you're shortening are top-notch. Watch them carefully. If you think it's a video that people would want to watch, copy that link, shrink it with ShrinkMe, and watch the dollars roll in. For step 4, it's time to hit up the land of likes and shares Facebook. Log into your account and search for your favorite topic. Let's say it's GTA 5. Type it into the search bar, hit enter, and filter your search to groups. Now, choose the public groups. No admin approval needed here. Join the groups that are poppin' with 10+ posts a day. More posts mean more eyes on your content. Once you're in, drop a post that goes like this. Hey, have you guys checked out this epic GTA 5 live gameplay video? Toss your shortened link right there next to it. Head back to ShrinkMe, grab that link, come back to Facebook, paste it in, and hit publish. Boom. You're spreading the money-making love. Now you've got the money-making playbook. Ready for the next big thing? Smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated with the latest money-making strategies online. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for staying until the end. See you on the next one.